What is the process to recover data after initializing my PS4?
Hey, PS4 gamers! Ever found yourself in a sticky situation where you've initialized your PlayStation 4 and ended up losing all your data? Well, don't fret. Today, we'll walk you through a step-by-step process to recover your data after initializing your PS4. Remember, this is a complex process that requires patience and precision. So, let's dive right in.
What does initializing your PS4 mean?
Initialization of your PS4 system restores system settings to default values. This process removes data saved in system storage and deletes all users and their data from the system. It's similar to a factory reset and can lead to loss of all saved data, including games, user information, and applications.
Can you recover your data after initializing?
The straightforward answer is, unfortunately, no. Once the PS4 is initialized, the process cannot be reversed. Initialization wipes all data from the system. But don't lose hope just yet. There are a few possible solutions that may help retrieve some of your lost data.
Using PS Plus for cloud saves.
If you have a PlayStation Plus subscription, then there's a high probability that your game saves are automatically backed up to the cloud. To recover these, 1. Sign into your PlayStation Network (PSN) account. 2. Navigate to Settings, Application, Saved Data Management, Save data in online storage, download to system storage. 3. Choose the games for which you'd like to download saved data. Remember, this method only works for recovering game saves and not for other types of data.
Using a backup on an external drive.
If you foresaw a need for data backup and created one on an external hard drive, then you're in luck. Here's how you can recover your data. 1. Connect your external hard drive to the PS4. 2. Go to Settings, System, Backup and Restore. 3. Select Restore PS4 greater than choose Backup Files, Yes. This will bring back all your data saved at the time of the backup.
Seek professional help.
If the above methods aren't applicable to you, then your last resort could be to seek professional help. There are data recovery services that might be able to assist, though their success is not guaranteed and the cost may be significant. We hope this guide helps you navigate the process of data recovery after initializing your PS4. Always remember to back up your data frequently, especially if you plan on initializing or resetting your system. It's your turn now to tackle this process. Good luck, gamers!